Hello guys, this is our FreeCAD tutorial. So today we are going to show how the vertical, horizontal and parallel constraint are being done in FreeCAD. So we'll do it in parametric part workstation. So let's click parametric part, click sketch, select X, Y plane, click the polyline, create a polyline which is a closed loop. Don't make the shapes parallel. Let's say suppose the shapes are not parallel, so we click this one, we click this one, we click this one, and then we close it, and then right click. Yes, so you can see the line are not parallel and neither vertical nor horizontal. So we'll start to make these two lines to be vertical one. So let's make this one vertical. Click the line, go to constraint, it's vertical. This one is vertical, so let's make it this line parallel to this line. So click this line, then click this line, then click the parallel constraint. Sorry, this line and this line, parallel constraint. So this line and this line are parallel, and then these lines are not parallel, neither fully horizontal. They are inclined at some degree of an angle. So select either of it, make it horizontal. So we'll click this one and then we set it horizontal, so it's horizontal. Make this line parallel to this line, click this line, and then make it parallel. So we have done the vertical and horizontal constraint as well as parallel constraint. Thank you.